Welcome back, YouTube, and thanks for watching. I thought I was done lapping valves, but I was terribly mistaken. Had to pull out the valve grinding compound and the lapping tool and go over each of the new valves I got, because after doing some research I wasn't doing it the correct way. I wasn't lapping them enough, so I had to do another full round of each valve, and they came out looking how they were supposed to. I was really happy, and then I realized you still got to do the old intake valves, buddy. Thankfully I had all the old intake valves and everything organized and soaking in the pine sol mixture for about 2 days, so everything was breaking down real nice. And by the time I got to cleaning everything, the valves cleaned up nicely, and I lapped all the old valves. I didn't record that, but yeah, it was very gruesome. But Simple Green, oh my god, dude, it works really good. I added a cap full to each cup that was holding everything, and then afterwards I decided to clean the rocker arms. Here's a before picture. It's just covered in carbon and sludge. And here's after. It's complete turnaround. Looks almost brand new. I'm still going to clean everything again in Simple Green and the pine sol mixture while the motor soaks in Simple Green. And again, these were covered in sludge. The oil port in the middle was caked. It wasn't even passing liquid through. Now it's passing liquid through fine. I picked up a valve compression kit whenever I get ready to put the springs and everything on and leak test it. And now I'm pretty much waiting until this motor's done and I can put it all together. In the meantime, I hope you guys are enjoying what I've posted so far. Trying to make this as entertaining as I can. You guys can watch me put this Pontiac back together and follow me the whole way. And if you guys have any tips or any suggestions or any secrets that would help me or make this project easier, let me know. Like, subscribe, and thanks again for watching.